Good morning, students. How you all are? I hope you all are safe at home. Okay, let's begin with our next topic, that is addition. So children, in class 2 you all have learned addition. You all have learned how to do addition of 2 digits. Yes? So we will revise addition of 2 digits and then we will start addition of 3-digit numbers. But first let's learn what is the meaning of addition. Okay, let's start. Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. Objects in terms of numbers. For example, if you have 24 pencils and 31 pens, and I ask, how many pens and pencils are there in all? What are these, children? These are the keywords of addition. If you see or hear these words, what will you do? You will add those objects. Like I can change the question. How many pens and pencils are there all together? By using this next keyword. I can also frame one more question by using the other keyword, like how many total pens and pencils are there? I can make one more question by using this last keyword. What is the sum of pen and pencils you have? If you find all these 4 keywords, what will you do? You will add those objects. Now let's begin. But before beginning, always starts adding at one's position. This you already have learned in class 2. Like, suppose it is a 2-digit number. From where we have to start adding? From the digits which is at one's place. This you already have learned. Okay, let's start. Addition is the process whereby we put. Okay children, let's start adding these digits. So in one's place, first number is 4, and we all know that you all know how to add in your fingers, but I will tell you again. So first number we are having at one's place is 4. So we will start counting on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will stop here. And then what is the next number written below it? 1. So after 4, we will take one more digit. And we will start counting from where we have started till the number we have reached. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now moving to tens place. First number is 2. So we will take on our fingers 1 and 2. And next number is 3. So after 2 we will start counting 1, 2, 3 again. So what we have to do? From where we have started and from where we have reached, we have to count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 again. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Now what are these? What are these digits? This first number, 24 pencils, is our first addend. 31 pens is our second addend. So these 2 numbers, they are referred as addends, children. Okay, addends. And the answer which we are getting is called as their sum. Understood? So let's see the addition of a 3-digit number. So it is my hand. I know it's a big fat hand. No? Chalo. Let's start adding the digits which is at one's place. So first number is 2. We will count 1 and 2 on our fingers. Next number is 6. So after 2, we have to go 6 more digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And from where we have started until where we have reached our number, we have to count it in a flow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 plus 6 will give you 8. Likewise, we will move to tens position. First number is 3. We will take on our fingers 1, 2, 3. Then next number is 2. After 3, we will take 1 and 2. Count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are getting 5 as our answer of tens place. We will move to hundreds position, children. What is the first number here? 4. So we will count on our fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the second number? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we will count it in from where we have started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Okay. So what are these numbers again? First numbers which we are having, first 3 digits are called as first addend. Next set of numbers which we are having are called as second addend. And whatever the answer we are getting is termed as our sum. Understood, children? Now let's move. Let's see what there are some rules of addition. So we will next topic we will learn some rules of adding. Okay? So we will now study the rules of addition which we have to follow while adding. Okay? First rule. It says when 0 is added to any number, the number remains same. Suppose 67 plus 0. So we have to start with the ones position. So in ones position we are having 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is the next number? 0. We will not add anything. Now let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 plus 0 will give you 7 and 6 is simply copied down. So if 0 is added to any number, the sum will be the number itself. Understood? This was the first rule of addition. Now moving on to second rule. When we add 1 to any number, we will get its successor. Successor you already have learned in this class also. So if 1 is added to any given number, the sum will be its successor. Successor means the next number or the number which just comes after the given number. So 24 plus 1. What comes after 24 is 25, children. So if 1 is added to any number, the given answer or the answer which we have to find will be the next number. Okay? Okay? Okay, children, our last rule is the order of the numbers to be added does not change the sum. Like, if our first addend here is 14 and second addend is 32, the sum is 46. Let's count it also. Ones place first digit is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And ones place second digit is 2. So after 4, 1 and 2. And we will count it from where we have started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sum of ones place is 6. Now we will move to tens place. Tens placed first number is 1. So we have to count 1 on our fingers. Next number is 3. So after 1 we will count 3 more numbers. 1, 2, 3. So start adding. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 will give you 4. In a similar way, if I write 32 as our first addend and 14 as our second addend, the sum is again 46 only. How? Let's count it. So in ones place, first number is 2. So 1 and 2. Ones place, second number is 46. Sorry, second number is 4. So after 2 we will count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So ones place, the sum is 6. Moving on to tens place. Now here, tens place, our first digit is 3 and next digit is 1. So we will take 3 and 1 on our fingers. So 1, 2, 3 and after that 1 is there. So we will take one more digit on our fingers and then add it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 will give you 4. Likewise, I am saying if the addends are interchanged, here first addend is 14 and second addend is 32, the sum is 46. But here the first addend becomes 32 and second addend becomes 14. Still the sum is 46. So by interchanging the addend, the sum remains same. Okay, this was our last rule of addition.